Leadership is not about giving orders or sitting in a boss's chair. It's about influence. According to a Harvard Business Review survey, 58% of employees said the most important leadership quality is a clear vision. A leader is like a person holding a flag on top of a mountain, showing others the direction. For example, Steve Jobs didn't just create products, he created a vision that a phone could be both simple and powerful. That clarity inspired millions to follow. A strong leader is more than a decision maker. They are great communicators. Research shows that 55% of communication comes from body language. Your eye contact, smile, and posture speak before your words do. Gallup also found that 70% of employee engagement depends on the manager's communication style. This means a simple habit, like calling people by their names and actively listening, can build massive trust. When people feel heard, they feel valued. Why leadership is important. Without leadership, any group can quickly fall into chaos. An international survey revealed that 79% of employees leave jobs because of poor leadership, not because of low salaries. Strong leadership directly increases productivity too. A Deloitte study found that teams with active leaders are 21% more productive. The message is clear. Leadership is not about titles, it's about taking responsibility, solving problems, and giving confidence to the team, especially in difficult times. Leadership is also the fuel behind innovation. A PwC survey reported that 77% of CEOs believe innovation drives growth. But innovation only happens when leaders create psychological safety, a space where people can share ideas without fear. Google's Project Aristotle study proved this. A great leader encourages creativity by listening to every idea, big or small. Often, the next big breakthrough comes from the smallest voice in the room. The long-term impact of leadership. Leadership is not just about short-term wins, it shapes the future. A McKinsey report showed that companies with strong leadership achieve 2.8 times higher long-term returns. Great leaders focus on culture, trust, and growth. You can practice this daily by asking yourself 3 simple questions. Did I motivate my team today? Did I listen? Did I create a positive environment? These small habits make you a respected leader over time. Whether you're leading a company, a small team, or even your family, leadership is the key to growth and success. So leadership is not about power, it's about vision, communication, innovation, and responsibility. Start small, practice daily, and remember, the world doesn't just need more managers, it needs more leaders.